Today's the ribbon cutting for the Water Reclamation and Reuse project. It symbolizes the startup of the reclaimed water pipeline. Reclaimed water is water that is highly treated, filtered water from the Nomincoal wastewater treatment plant that's been disinfected an extra time and is available for use for non-potable, in other words, non-drinking water purposes.
From watering lawns to washing cars to running industrial plants. Reclaimed water is being used at the Covanta plant that turns household trash into energy, as well as the Laurel Hill Golf Course and 4 athletic fields in Lorton. By reusing water, we conserve valuable drinking water and reduce the amounts of nitrogen and phosphorus from entering our streams, rivers, and the Chesapeake Bay.
This water is important to Fairfax County for a number of reasons. One, it's a low-cost alternative to drinking water. Customers that don't need drinking water quality water can accept this water and save a little bit of money. And then finally, it's a way for us to reduce the amount of nutrients we're discharging to the Chesapeake Bay. If we divert this water to irrigation, say, instead of the Chesapeake Bay, it helps the Chesapeake Bay.